my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my dining area. And guys, you know, we are in the fall season. I'm going to add some fall item. But guys, you know, if you want to do it for any other occasion, the only thing you have to do is simply remove the fall item, don't add, and just go with the flow. Okay guys, as you can see, the way I'm set up my dining table, I have my warmer that I get from Amazon, which is not too expensive. The placemats are my DIY. I made them like 3 years ago, and guys, I still use them till today, and it's worth it. Okay guys, as you can see, how I set up everything. I like my warmer to be a little bit messy for the look that I'm going for right now, but if you want, you can make it straight, but me, I like the messy look. It was raining so bad. I don't know if you guys can see the lighting at the window, but we had a tornado warning going on, so it was bad outside. Okay guys, let's move on to my charger. The link of everything will be in the description box down below. If anything that you want guys, if you want to recreate the look, or if anything you like, make sure to check the description box down below. Guys, you know I'm extra. I wanted the look today to be wow, but not too dramatic. And I'm sure you guys will love the final result because it's beautiful. And make sure to comment down below to let me know what do you think. And guys, those dining plate, I get them from Home Goods a while back, I guess 3 years ago, and they're still holding on, very, very beautiful, and I like them. Please, if you have a local Home Good, don't hesitate because they're really good.
Take my hand. You want to stay in the promised land where all the things you want to feel you are. Chase that morning, close your eyes. You want to wake up.
And this beautiful centerpiece, it's my DIY guys. I'm so in love with it. So I have a video on how I made it. I just add a little flowers. Because it wasn't that much flowers, but I add some flowers, make it more gorgeous. Guys, if you want to see how I made it, make sure to check in the box down below or in the video upstairs. The Glen pumpkins are from Valentines. And guys, I have a beautiful addition to my collection. It's a blue European ceramic coffee set. Guys, look at it. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. I'll put the link of everything in the description box down below for you guys if you want to check them out. And guys, as you can see, they're well packed and you're not going to lose nothing when they ship them out to you. I like the fact it's easy storage. You can just set it in your kitchen like that, or if you don't want to leave them, you can like store it in your cabinet. But I really like the fact it comes with the handle that you can hang everything. It's so nice. Really nice guys, so it's a must-have. Make sure to check the box down below if you want like that when you serve your coffee or your tea. You're gonna like it, and whoever you're going to serve, they will like it too because it's so nice. The quality of the material, it's very nice guys. You won't regret buying one, so make sure to check the box down below if something that interests you guys. Even if you don't like this color, you can choose any other color or any other style guys. It's a good to have, so it will look perfect in your collection if you are somebody like me that love to decorate your home. As you can see guys, let's go back to decorate the dining room and keep on watching.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine.
Okay guys, this is a finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. and share the love with your friend and family. As you can see how everything look like, I'm so in love with it, guys. Don't forget to leave me a comment down. Let me know what do you think. Even if you don't like it, I would love to hear from you guys.
Yeah, 'cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room.
If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do home decor, product review, clean with me. I do my hair, I do my nails. Guys, if you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. I love you all and keep on watching.
Up in the sky, when you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Oh, when we touch is when I really come alive.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur la chaîne Moulin. Sur la première fois, moi je souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager la vidéo avec mes amis. Si pas la première fois tout, moi dis merci en pile pour le support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos et make sure pour nous checker boîte description si on bagaille dans vidéo à nous aimer, nous capable de joindre bien facile. Merci en pile et continuez à regarder les vidéos. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci, guys. S'il vous plaît, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime. Et n'oubliez pas de checker la boîte de description si vous avez besoin de quelque chose. Okay guys, that was all for today and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!